Ever looked at your kitchen herbs and thought, could something this simple really transform my health? Well, today, we're talking about a tiny green leaf with big powers, mint. From refreshing your breath to supporting weight loss and even calming your mind, mint might just be the most underrated health booster in your kitchen. The hook. Now, I know what you're thinking, mint is just for tea, toothpaste, or maybe a mojito. But what if I told you, this humble leaf has been used for thousands of years in medicine, weight management, and overall wellness? And here's the kicker, you probably have it growing in your garden or sitting in your fridge right now. Benefit number 1, digestion and bloating relief. Let's start with one of mint's best-kept secrets, it's a natural digestion superhero. If you suffer from bloating, stomach cramps, or slow digestion after heavy meals, mint can help relax the muscles in your digestive tract, allowing food to pass smoothly. No wonder ancient cultures used mint tea after feasts. Benefit number 2, weight loss support. Here's something exciting for anyone on a weight loss journey, mint doesn't just freshen your breath, it can boost your metabolism and curb unnecessary snacking. That fresh, cool aroma can trick your brain into thinking you're full, helping you avoid extra calories. Combine it with a healthy lifestyle, and mint could be your secret weight loss ally. Benefit 3, respiratory relief. Got a stuffy nose or seasonal allergies? Mint contains menthol, which acts like a natural decongestant. It helps open up your airways, making it easier to breathe, perfect during cold or flu season. Benefit number 4, skin and oral health. Mint is loaded with antioxidants and antibacterial properties. This means it can help clear acne, soothe skin irritations, and of course, keep your mouth bacteria-free for that all-day fresh feeling. How to use mint daily. So, how do you get these benefits? Brew fresh mint leaves into tea. Add them to salads and smoothies. Infuse your drinking water for a refreshing twist. Or simply chew a few leaves after meals. So next time you see mint, don't just think of it as a garnish, think of it as nature's little green medicine cabinet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves natural health tips, and subscribe for more wellness secrets you won't want to miss. Stay fresh, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.